G'day everyone, Jeff Corwin here. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of scorpion farming. Scorpion farming means raising and breeding scorpions in captivity, combining wildlife passion, science, and patience. Why do it? Some see business potential in selling scorpions as exotic pets, while others are drawn by the scientific value of their venom for medical research. And for many, it's simply a unique, rewarding hobby. But scorpions aren't your average pet. They're wild, ancient creatures that demand respect and careful handling. You'll need to research species, learn their needs, and commit to long-term care. Scorpions can live for years, so this is a real relationship. You'll master humidity, temperature, and even learn to read their body language. Starting a scorpion farm connects you to a lineage stretching back hundreds of millions of years. It's about more than keeping an animal. It's about appreciating and caring for a remarkable piece of the natural world. Ready to explore? Let's get started. Let's pick your first scorpion. For beginners, the emperor scorpion or Asian forest scorpion are top choices. Large, impressive, and generally docile. Start with a manageable species to build confidence and learn safe care. For housing, a simple, escape-proof glass or plastic tank with a secure lid is key. A 10-gallon tank works for a single adult emperor scorpion. Inside, use a deep layer of coconut fiber or peat moss as substrate. These species love to burrow and need humidity. Add hiding spots like cork bark or overturned pots, and a shallow water dish. Maintain warmth, 24-29 degrees Celsius, with an under-tank heating mat on one side to create a temperature gradient. Mist the enclosure regularly to keep humidity up, but avoid soaking the substrate. The right habitat is crucial for your scorpion's health and happiness. Keep it simple, secure, and tailored to your species' needs. With the right setup, you're well on your way to successful scorpion keeping. Now, let's talk about feeding. Scorpions are predators. Crickets, roaches, and mealworms are their main diet in captivity. Offer prey no larger than half the scorpion's body length. Young scorpions eat every 2-3 days, adults just once or twice a week. Don't worry if your scorpion skips a meal, overfeeding is a bigger risk. Drop live prey in the enclosure or use tongs for shy eaters, and always remove uneaten insects after 24 hours. Fresh, clean water is essential. Use a very shallow dish to prevent drowning. Change the water every couple of days to avoid bacteria. A clean water source and proper feeding routine are the foundation of good scorpion care. Watch their hunting behavior. It's one of the joys of keeping these fascinating creatures. Next, let's cover daily care and safety. Daily care is simple. Observe your scorpion, check temperature and humidity, and refresh water. Remove leftover food and spot clean waste weekly. Full substrate changes are only needed every 6-12 months or if you notice mold or odor. Safety is crucial. Never handle scorpions with bare hands, even docile species. Use long tongs or coax them into a container for cleaning or moving. Learn to read their body language. A raised tail and open pincers mean back off. Scorpions prefer to hide, not fight, and stings are a last resort. Respect their space and use the right tools for a safe experience. With routine care and caution, you'll enjoy a safe, rewarding relationship. Now let's talk about rules and ethics. Responsible care goes beyond the enclosure. Before you start, check your local laws. Some scorpions are restricted or require permits. Always buy captive-bred scorpions from reputable breeders to protect wild populations and ensure healthier pets. Ask about the animal's origin before buying. Patience is key. Scorpions may hide or refuse food, but that's normal. The real reward is watching them grow and display natural behaviors over time. Start small, research thoroughly, and always prioritize your animal's well-being. Whether you keep one scorpion or many, respect and curiosity are essential. This hobby offers a unique window into the ancient world of scorpions. Good luck, and enjoy your adventure in scorpion farming. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.